Ciao Tesla people. So a couple of days ago I installed the Tesla summer update. That is the 2025.26.4, and there are a couple undocumented changes. One I mentioned it, but I didn't go into the details, and the other one is a new one that I discovered yesterday. So the first one is car wash mode improvements. Basically, it's available for all cars and everywhere. And car wash mode has improved with this update. While car wash mode will still close windows when it's initially activated, it will now also continuously monitor your vehicle windows and warn you if any windows are opened during the car wash. Okay, which is good. So if you go to a car wash or you're washing your car, if anything is wrong, you'll get a notification, which is good. Now the other undocumented change was for the service mode improvements. Now I read all of them, and looks like it's for service mode plus, which should be the one available to third-party repairs, or of course to Tesla service mode, not to all people, but I think some of the features are available to everyone. So I am in service mode right here, and I was checking the first one that belongs to my Model Y. Where is it? Here for Model Y, new seats panel. The new seats panel is available to support the diagnosis for the front row seats. It adds the ability to view the location of the actuator, motors, status, switch statuses, and use calibration routines. And I think it's this guy here. So right now, if you tap on this guy, it tells you that the left seat is occupied by me. This is the radar, okay? So the radar up here actually is seeing me on the seat, okay? And these are the actuator, I think. Let me see if I push one of this guy. Oh no, this is the buckle, the seat belt buckle, okay? So when they're on or off, here left up pretensioner. Oh, that's for the seat belt too. Okay. So it's not available to me this one, the seat panel. I mean, there is a seat panel, but not the motor status, switch statuses, and the calibration routine, of course. Okay. So most of these changes are for service mode plus. This one is new vehicle functions panel. A new vehicle functions panel will, with an overview of all vehicle function, their limitation and respective states. No condition detected, degraded, or unavailable is available. The panel enables user to understand the impact of common conditions on affected vehicle functions and pinpoint the respective underlying alerts. And this feature was introduced in 2025.26.3. Okay. Then the one the seats panel for Model 3 and Model Y, new thermal control components. New control components panel is available to support thermal noise, vibration, and harnesses diagnosis. It adds the ability to individually control thermal components, sets specific targets, and sweep across operating ranges, which with real-time feedback. It also includes a 3D realistic view of the heat pump, including the radiator, blower, motor, louver, and pumps. Okay. And then there is another infotainment panel updates, reboot gateway infotainment, ability to reboot the gateway. Okay. To access the infotainment. This is still in service mode plus. I wanted to check if they are available. So infotainment. So I think it's where is on the top. Yeah. Infotainment actions. Of course, there are no actions, so that means it's only for service mode plus. What else? All vehicle refrigerant panel updates drain and fill routine. The refrigerant panel has been updated to display the system pressure and highlights the current pressure values during the drain and fill routine. Okay. Then the power distribution panel updates hardware. The hardware protection self-test and battery capacity self-test has been added to the power distribution panel. And then for the Cybertruck, power distribution panel updates, active test statuses, the status of the hardware protection self-test and battery capacity test. So it's the battery capacity test. It's been added to the Cybertruck. Anyway, I wanted to show you the service mode. You enter here by tapping on the service and then you enter the service password. You get in. Don't change anything, of course, here, okay? But it's interesting to see. You get in the driver, you get all the cameras and the calibration of the cameras, okay? Then you get the speakers, all the speakers, the information you get here, all the speakers, you can play sounds and stuff, the audio, microphone, the car computer, and the premium amplifier, okay? And then connectivity, so the Wi-Fi that is working, the cell, so 4G or 5G for the cars that they have, okay? Software is the ones that is installed right now. Is you see the maps are updated right now, and then how much memory is being used by 2025.26.4. What else? ECU update statuses looks okay, and actions touch check, okay. And then there is the battery, the HV system, the high voltage battery, of course. Charging system is working fine. HV battery, okay. It shows you the how much is filled. I'm at 65%, which is pretty cool, okay. And these are the HVIL, okay, statuses. Pretty cool. Looks like everything's working fine. Drive unit, okay. Battery prior state, everything looks okay. This sometimes I just play around with this to see if everything is okay. So we finish this. We go to the battery. This is the low power battery. Power distribution, okay. And then the seats, okay. And then home link. I don't have home link, okay. And this is the thermal, the action, the coolant and stuff, okay. Refrigeration system. Here's the animation that we were talking about. So you get a very cool animation on how the system works and the coolant, how it's going around, okay. You get all the temperatures and the pressure in bars, okay. Pretty cool. The coolant system, here is the animation, very cool. You get all the temperatures, the RPM for the battery pump, very cool. What else? The HVAC system, so the air conditioning, very cool. I'm pulling out the 19 Celsius, whatever, okay. And then the alignment of the tires is a bit off by 10 degrees because I'm on a slant, I think. TPMS, very cool. Steering, and then the SCC horn, all the steering wheel stuff, the brakes, okay. And you get a bunch of tests that they can do. This is a closure. The windows, they're closed, okay, and the back And the Frunk, for the motor of the Frunk, is closed. Okay, and then the last one, airbags, looks okay, seems. And then the last one is seats. Okay, this is the seats that I showed you before. So most of the changes have been done to the, you need the service mode plus to access them, but some of the animation, I think they are new, or they change it in the latest software update, which is pretty cool. Anyway, these are a couple changes undocumented that I wanted to mention, and that's it. Check out my Tesla referral. If you buy Tesla using my referral code, you get a discount of 500 euros or dollars. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.